ever happen to you guys to just hate your ID photo? Because it happened to me many times. But today I'm gonna help you fix this with this beautiful makeup, which you will wear with so much confidence. So let's go. So before we start, I just want to say it's so much important to just make a natural makeup, because you can go to the ID photo to just look like, I don't know, like too much colorful. First, I'm gonna show you a hack which I just discovered basically. I cut this because it was empty. I mean, I thought it was empty, but as you can see here, we have plenty of foundation left. So if you have this kind of containers to your foundation, just cut them, because you have so much foundation left in here. And I never knew that, I don't know. So before, of course, prime your face, I already primed mine, and now I'm gonna apply my foundation. I'm gonna use this one because today we don't want to look orange at all. And keep in mind this thing, because it's very important to make your skin look as natural as you can, so no orange. Now we're gonna blend this very beautiful in our skin. Basically, we're going to do a makeup which will be similar to what we basically do almost every day. So first thing first, after my foundation, I will do my eyebrows, and as usual I will do my fluffy brows, because you know I love this trend, and I don't know, I feel like I will do this like forever, because I just love fluffy brows, and it's just my thing. I feel like this suits me the best from all the makeup trends. I mean, from all the eyebrow trends. This one is just perfect for me, and it's so natural, because I don't really like to make them to look too extravagant or something. I just want to keep them natural, and this makes the job. So that's why I just love to do them like this. And for my ID photo, it will be very nice. Part 3, now I'm gonna apply this face powder on my face, because we don't know how much time we will be there, and maybe we will sweat or something, and we don't wanna get too messy for this, because it would be a mess to just wet your makeup when you are doing your ID. Just imagine trying to live with that photo for, I don't know, 5 years or how long. Now my favorite part, I'm gonna bronze my face a little bit here, because we want to be chiseled. Chisel is a thing that we call this, I don't know, but we want to look fresh, we want to look sculpted here. So we're going to contour our face with this beautiful contouring palette, which I have right here, guys. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Sorry. Now I will try to contour the nose a little bit, just a little bit. I don't want my nose to just look like I just stole it from someone else's face. I'm not a nose stealer, guys. I'm not a nose stealer. Now I will take some here, because I want to make that contrast between this and this. So I want to make some kind of cat eye here, but from this shadow that we are applying here. And this will be the only color that we are gonna put on our eyes. I mean, I can't even say that this is a color, because it's used to sculpt your face, so it's not a, I don't know, it's not an eye color, I don't know. Now the most beautiful part, eyeliner. I'm not going to do the boldest eyeliner here, because we don't want a super bold eyeliner, so we're just going to do something really natural. But just let me stop talking, because I can't do my eyeliner while I talk. Whew. I love to do eyeliner. I got so used to just do my eyeliner like every day, to that point that if I don't wear eyeliner, I just think that I look ugly. Even with eyeshadow, like a full eyeshadow, I just feel like I look ugly without eyeliner, I don't know. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes, and we are gonna see if I will apply falsies or not, because I still don't know, but we'll see. We'll see in a minute. We'll see, guys. Adding a little bit more I don't know, I feel like my eyelashes are not looking too great today. My favorite part, let's do my lips, and I think I will go for a natural nude lip because this is what I'm used to like wear almost every day. Sorry for talking a little bit strange again. You already know the drill with this. And guys, another hack which I forgot to mention for a long time. If you don't have a lip pencil to your favorite color or to the color, I mean with the color that you would need for, I don't know, a specific lip color or a lip combo, you can always use an eyeshadow to just make your contour to your lips, and after that you will just do the lipstick and you are done. And now let's take the photo for my ID card. So your girl Glammedblondie finished your job, and now we are ready for our ID passport. If you like this video, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button because we will meet a little bit later. Now I'm going to get my ID done.